unboxing the Ringworm body wash here. Comes with the plastic film. I love that to know that it's got that extra protection there. And then, let's see if I can get this open. There we go. All right, it comes with this inner casing here. Can slide right out with the product. And here is the product. I love that it even comes with this extra protection here. We can be reassured that it has not been tampered with. So there's the product with the pump, and then the instructions of how to use and other, oh, it looks like it's coupons. Okay, there you have it.